We all love a good grilled cheese, but the people at Meltz Extreme Grilled Cheese serve this classic American sandwich with an exciting twist. Today, they've designed a special grilled cheese just for us called the Granny Green Bluff that uses our very own Washington-grown apples. Normally, when people think of a grilled cheese, maybe one, maybe two cheeses, but that's not what I see here.
No, there's 6 in it, and that's another reason why we're so extreme.
All right, well, let's get one together and let's see if it's really worth the 6 cheeses.
Okay.
Nick starts with a 4-cheese blend of cheddar, Monterey Jack, mozzarella, and provolone. Next comes the Gorgonzola.
We like to say that these are little bombs in every bite.
The 6th cheese is a whipped brie mousse. Next comes bacon and an apple slaw made with local Granny Smith apples.
We have the sweet, we have the salty, we have the savory, we need the bitterness.
The little acid, the
Every
tang.
flavor contrast you'll ever
Oh
see.
my gosh, it's all right there, man. Finally, we add a balsamic fig reduction and then cover the sandwich until everything melts together. That should be illegal.
5 stars out on the middle of the street, man.
I'm not sure I got it all. I better try it again. Do you enjoy a grilled cheese sandwich?
I do, yeah.
I love grilled cheese. The more cheese, the better.
It's time to kick it up a notch.
Oh my God. That's really good.
It is good.
The OMG says it all.
It's like so many different flavors that just combine together to make a beautiful sandwich.
A little piece of heaven.
So this is probably something you can see yourself ordering then, huh?
Yes.
But you won't get it at my house. You gotta come down here to get it.